3 seconds heat pressing, newly innovative upgraded DTF intelligent automated heat press carousel. This time, Sublister has revolutionized automation with cutting-edge advancements. We've recently enhanced this DTF intelligent automated heat press carousel. Step right up and witness the innovation. This function can swiftly and accurately perform film picking and placement, eliminating delays and human errors. The automated process accelerates production speed, allowing for faster turnaround times compared to manual heat transfer. This allows multiple films to be removed at the same board, greatly speeding up the process. It ensures consistent and even pressure application, resulting in stronger, more reliable adhesion between layers. The automated system ensures that clothes are returned to the garment table in a consistent, organized manner, reducing the chances of errors or misplacement. Let's take a closer look at how to operate this heat press machine. Place the printed film on the material adsorption table. Press power to start the machine automatically. The printed film will be sucked and released automatically. Then, this station will automatically rotate to the heat press part for heat pressing. After heat pressing, it will automatically peel off the film and recycle it, and the infrared ensures that the position of the film is accurate and without deviation. Then, this station will automatically rotate to the heat press part for repressing. This will also make sure clothes are flat and wrinkle-free. Automatically place the heat-pressed cloth or clothes to the platform. Sublister Intelligent Heat Press Carousel, liberating your hands.